I have INTEX Aqua Lions X1 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Here we need to scroll down and choose settings. From the list of settings we need to scroll down and select here the language and input. It's located right here, let's tap it. And now you can tap languages at the top of the list, and here you can add a language and you can use the following languages. So you can use here the English, Espanol, Italiano and other stuff. Let me use the Spanish, so the Espanol, and from España now you need to place the Espanol into the first position, and as you can see right now the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's choose apps icon, choose ajustes, let's select here the idioma in traducción de texto, tab idiomas, and let's place English into the first position. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.